Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to use copy and paste features on this laptop. So the first example on which I want to show you the copying and pasting features is a text document, because it's the simplest way to show you. And so in the text document, let's enter some sample text. And if, for example, I want to copy part of this text or the entire text, I have to hold down the left key of my mouse and then drag it over the text that I want to copy. So, for example, I want to copy this part of the text. So I right click on it, press copy, I left click right here, and press paste. Now let's do the same with sample, but instead right now let's use the Ctrl+C shortcut once we select the text, and then right here let's press Ctrl+V, and as you can see we have successfully transferred both parts of the text. And now let me also show you the clipboard feature on your laptop. To use clipboard feature, use the start key together with the V key. Turn it on, and right now we have a clipboard which contains each of the previously selected data copied to the clipboard. So if I press Windows+V right now, I can choose whichever part of the text that I copied before. Okay, but besides text, you can also copy and paste basically everything in Windows. So programs, files, games, folders, and to show you an example, let me transfer this screenshot into some other location. So let me press Ctrl+C on it. I select it and press Ctrl+C, then go to Downloads and press Ctrl+V. And as you can see, we have just successfully transferred this file. Copied it, because right now we have 2 copies of this screenshot. And we also have a cut out option for each file. So if I want, let's say I want to replace this screenshot from downloads to desktop, then I have to select this screenshot and press Ctrl+X, or just right click it and select cut, and then open desktop and press Ctrl+V here, and this way we added a screenshot on our desktop. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.